Oh, good morning, everyone. How are we doing? What a morning. Open the market. Oh, what a. Oh my gosh. Hold on. My spy calls are up 630%. Oh, but. All right, stream. 1 second. I'm taking profits on a lot of stuff here. Hang in there, stream. I'm taking profit on all those calls that I've been swinging. I can get the stupid thing to load. Hang in there, chat. What's up, chat? How's everybody doing? Oh my gosh. All right, 1 second, team. I am trimming and taking profit heavily over on my on my long-term account here. How's everybody doing? Are we fired up? God, I don't even have music going. Oh my gosh, so much stuff going on. Um, all right, all right, stream. Soggy bottom. What a morning. My calls are up 600+%. Oh my goodness. Boricua. All right. A lot of profit taking here at the open, guys. I do not know about trading much at all right now. I think it's going to be incredibly hard. Goodness gracious. I'm tempted by this right here. Whoa. I don't even know what to do right now, guys. I'm very tempted to the long down here. Not yet, though. There's a lot of profit taking going on here at the open. Understandably so, right? I'm being patient. Goodness gracious! Sorry, guys. I was just been trimming. What are you guys? Are you guys doing anything here? That's the real question. I mean, I'm sure somebody shorted the open.
And then I'm looking at now.
You could VWAP right here.
Yeah, you guys go.
There's VWAP. ES touches VWAP here.
Great action.
I'll be your only female host. You know, I can feel. It'd be so bad.
What a morning, chat.
Oh, I can do it.
Google is like, y'all need to shoot over to St. John. Dude, I love TikTok. I'm going back there in 2 months, matter of fact. Dude, what we really should do is kind of start a little bit of trading squad.
Well, I don't even know where to start. Yeah, Bob. I don't even know what to do right here. I mean, maybe you scalp along off of you up here.
Yeah, I am that. A little bit. Hey.
Eva, wait till I tell you about Mexico. No visa.
I can see what it is.
All right. I haven't done anything. I don't know if there's anything to do right now. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm pretty much done trimming out all my calls. I'm glad we didn't take the long yet. 750 maybe right here. I do have a level here on QQQ from something. I kind of want to try long here on NQ. We'll see. We need. No, still coming down too hard.
Oh my god.
I'm like, I can call on Friday, and I was like,
Yeah. I think we can get like 100-point bounce here. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna very, very light. I mean, I have major profits. I'm gonna try it. 760. I want to see if we can get like. We'll go first target right here. We'll risk about 20 points to try to make 75 on the first spot. SPY, we have NFP levels right here to try to bounce off of. I mean, everything's just getting profit taken. I would expect some of these pre-market gaps to hold. I am long 760 INQ. I'm gonna trim at 800. see if we can trim like 825 maybe. All right, come on, give me 800. Let's see if we can get a 40 point. Make a new low, get stopped out. I'm light, just I made a lot of money last night. A lot of money on call swings. So I'm just trying to bounce play here. If it doesn't work, try it again later. But I do have a level here on QQQ and SPY that I've charted out before, so we'll see. We'll see if we get a bounce. If we don't, we don't. Well, let's see if we can get a bounce. I want to bounce to here, 800, and up in here in this area. I don't know. Do you guys do anything here? And we're sitting right on view off. I just figure there'll be some type of bounce. Anybody that shorted this morning, maybe they're. And if they start getting stopped out, if they chase this down here, if they start getting stopped out, we should fly back up here. But we'll see what happens. I mean, obviously, it's going to be heavy profit taking anytime you gap up like this. Come on, push, 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 push. Push.
I just okay,
What's Google doing? It's pulling back now too. Walmart filled the gap and bounced. Come on, here we go. Here we go. All right, 40-point game. Took my first trim here. Come on, let's get back to the midpoint of that orb. All right, we do have Trump speaking. Oh boy, what a day, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, what do you say on a day like this? I don't think there's any way this gap fills today.
I'm gonna be patient, sit on hands. I don't really see a trade set up here. Remember, I was sitting block.
Like there's a previous all-time high on QQQ right there. Eventually, this gap probably gets filled, right? But today, I mean, we may just kind of like trickle down, but we'll see what happens. Come on, let's get a push. Let's get one more push. I'm going to take a trim at 820 and then 834. That's my plan. So where's that? 820? Like 60 points or so. Damn, did we nail this? There's 60 points, second trim. Come on, push. Give me that 834. Give me that 75-point trade. 835. Oh, baby. Here we go. 75 points. I just took another trim. I'm about to run out of trims.
Agreement doesn't cover tariffs on cars, steel, and aluminum pharmaceuticals.
Trump is talking live right now. Agreement doesn't cover tariffs on cars, steel, aluminum, or pharmaceuticals. China agreement doesn't include pharma. Great trade deal. All right. Oh, and we're not letting this go red, by the way. All right, well, there's your MA9.
Yeah, it's been
All right, let's see if this holds in here.
Did Houston be off right there? Yeah.
See if we can get to that.
We're bouncing off of that.
Max. ¿No te lavaste los dientes?
I had 5 minutes to go. That's tired. Weeble has been on.
Well, let's see. Well, we took a trim at 40 points. We took a trim at 60 points and 75, 90. Can we get 100 points? I don't know. It's tough right now with Trump speaking. I don't really want to add, subtract, adjust. I don't want to do anything. Let's see what some of these names are doing while Trump's talking.
The best part of the news is I agreed to open up.
Microsoft retesting previous day's high right there. Interesting. I mean, everyone's just taking profit here. I mean, what do you do? There, Bob's got some of the headlines for us here in the chat. Well, I'm just gonna sit in this long and see what happens. For now, I have no reason to try to short this. Personally, I would rather try to play that bounce and then probably not do much. Yeah, I don't have anything to do here. Trim some profits. VWAP again. I wonder if you could get by with doing it twice. I'm not going to try it. I'm just going to sit here and break even. See if this stops me out. Break even. Probably does. Oh. See, or he says something good. Trump's really not saying a whole lot here. He's kind of jumping all over the place, from Ukraine to India, China news, everything. We do have the IB. IB by rejection. That high is going to be formed first. So that would say we probably break the low first, but we still got another. We just got our 30-minute orb set. I want to add this. I want to add more so bad here on the long, but I'm not going to get greedy. Yeah, I'm not doing anything here. Still, it's way too early. Yeah, a lot of headlines here from Choppy. He's actively speaking. I don't really have a whole lot to something. If he says something that sticks out like big time, I'll say it. But I mean, here's the scenario, guys. We gapped way up. We're sitting on previous all-time high from July on QQQ. We're way above it on SPY. And at some point, I think we do come lower on back test. I just don't know if it's going to happen right now. It's just not. Excuse me. Where's VIX at? Is VIX just getting crushed? Yep. I want VIX at 18. How big was our gap size today? This is going to be one of the biggest ones I've seen, 3.8. All right, we're still long and we're still up. No ads for me. I want I want an 18 VIX. Well, all right. I'm watching for this IB here. We still got 20 minutes on that. I wonder how many people just woke up, took profit, went back to sleep. I don't blame them. There is no plan for a day like today. Just sell. Take profit.
Seller something that's in the beginning concern here is be off 30 buyers. We found that this is like key kind of London gap up, big support and we failed.
The SPY 572 calls I was buying in the 100 to 120 range. I sold 2/3 of those at over 800. Take profits. We're gonna have mixed data because this IB is gonna be weird. I mean, I can understand if you wanted to shoot for the IB to break the low. I just don't know what do you even aim for down here? I think you long back to here and then see what happens once we go back up to where we were hanging out. Profit taking, work its way back up to fair price. I don't know. That's my thoughts. Look, sometimes I always say this, guys. Sometimes it's not a long, but that doesn't mean it's a short. As far as like in the big picture. Now, like futures, like yeah, I'm long here on futures because Move this over a little bit more. Meta is about to break over the high or the open. See if any of these things get above the open. CrowdStrike is above opening price. Let's see. This is 100 points. I'll take one trim there. And we'll just see what we can do. Still long and strong. Bobby, it's hard for me to disagree with you. I mean, when you look at, let me go to daily here. Look, this was Liberation Day. This is, like, we're over the high we even made late March. I mean, 585. 585 on SPY makes sense. But if you buy here, I mean, it's tough to buy here. Come on, give me a 100-point trade here. I want this right here, 100 points. And then, or I'm just going to move this because this is what I want here. You do have the 21 that could double top right there at 850, but I'm looking for 100 points.
Look at this candle on the spine, to the upside. Look at IWM. Okay.
Rotation. So this, yeah,
Come on, give me 100 points. Come on. Push, 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 push. Oh, they're going to give it to me. Come on. Just crush VIX to 18. Where's VIX? Where's VIX? Yes, crush that. Get through 19 and crush it. Look how beautiful this looks. Look on the 15-minute. I got long here. Woohoo! Let's go. Come on, 100 points. Give me 100 points. I want 100 points. Come on, almost there.
55.
My order's sitting at 860.
Want to trim into the 50s and then
Trump's still talking, by the way. ES is basically there. Come on, NQ. 10 more points. Almost there, almost there. Just give it to me. Right there, 100 points. I'm going to put my order at 859 just to be 100% honest and open right here. So if it hits 859, it doesn't hit 860, and I say I got 100 points, is whatever. I got 100 points. I always front run by like a point on my levels, just in case. Come on, come on. We're almost there. Somebody is sitting with 100 lots right at that 850. Come on, hold right here and push. In 10 minutes, we'll get some of this first hour data, which is not going to look super good, honestly. That's why, like, this is probably a pretty good target, 878. You get that 75% retrace. What a day. I hope you guys are being very patient. If you're shorting against this 850, maybe. I think you want this 800 to hold now at this point. Could be a bear flag. I'm long, but I think it could be a bear flag. Let's see, what are the bigger names doing? Tesla's so strong. Amazon's trying to roll. Meta's over opening price. Google over opening price. Walmart's going down. Netflix going down. Yeah, you need to hold right here. Needs to hold right here. I think it could be very tough to trade today. If it holds right here. I could take a small ad here, actually. Right here. Try to get back to 850 trim. No, I'm not gonna do it. I have no need to risk anything right here. I have room to trim one more time. If I get my 100 points.
Meta also sale here prior to the highest day.
I like this green candle.
640 calls here. Meta 10 minutes CBC risk.
Yeah, I probably could have bought that 800. But I'm okay not adding risk here.
2 minutes confirmed the bullish open. And 5 is alright, 25 point gain in review until now. We lost red. Job boys. I'm green on the calls. On the ash. And we're up. 8 points.
RFK's talking. He's always hard to listen to.
I closed my RTY. Charge for the day.
Yeah, I'm glad I didn't add anything, but we're still holding though. Okay, previous day's range is so such a big gap below us. Needs to hold here. Could be a bear flag.
Yeah, I think we're seeing lower prices. Like maybe being like 18 points lower on SPX. Flat MAQ here.
30% on IWM. I'll take another one off right here. Just straight dump it. Lead it to the promised land, baby.
They're gonna stop me out or not? Not adding was a good idea. Fed Kugler is making comments here as well.
Fred, no, not Fred, but Fed. Kugler said, uncertainty around.
Are you gonna stop me out?
Here's so likely to lead to slow growth, higher inflation.
There it is. Got stopped. Oh, Dr. Oz is talking.
Even 80% of that number should have. I agree with that. Both of those statements. I agree with
Fed Kugler's a girl, by the way.
And then it's back to the like headline side, match day, positive side, like 10%, 20%, 30%.
All right, well, I got stopped. Got stopped out of the longs.
So I actually went short at 819. These guys were all long, and I'm like,
Yeah, it didn't look like a gap can go inside the price section.
I don't know if you do anything. Right.
Yeah,
Kind of want to see if we can get that IB set here in 30 seconds, break through it, and reclaim maybe. I mean, this right here.
I need to make a new update to Camel Dory.
High form first, 67% chance to break the low. There's our first hour. Let's see if we wick down and break this. We should break this immediately.
Yeah, Macy, whatever you decide to call that up. I mean,
Wonder where half cap is at.
get that lower high.
short end and keep for bill breaker here, 700.
Sorry, especially off the account flashes starters. Yeah, especially off the
Well, half cap's even a long way down.
You can make a lot.
I think it either bounces here or 100 points higher.
Yeah, we call it, the bombing off, whatever, but also have the big start to spike,
Should I try it here at 700?
Memorize.
Memorize my
Right? Put it on the blindfold.
Maybe 5,800 ES is our spot. I do have 650 down here. Boy, I want to try the long again so bad. At least back to here.
So it is about $4 lower from right here.
Bobby is my boy. Be careful if you're trying to short the hole here, please. It's gonna be a boring stream today, probably. We broke the IB. Trying to reclaim right here. Buy, same.
Funny, we just rebalanced them. Maybe a long time if we leave them.
I was just about to say the 5 minutes in the NQ, that's 200.
Trump's probably gonna finish up here pretty soon too.
We need to start tracking this.
Oh no, it's
Like 85%.
it's just no.
But we should just open up a public spreadsheet. Alright guys. I'll be back probably later. Have a good workout.
I think if we do get down here on yes, we can try it, which would probably be around the same area,
Yeah.
650
Yes.
on NQ.
Yes.
I really want to get long again.
Yeah, big week. CPI, PPI, no bets. So.
The problem is you just don't have much down here to go off of. Quick with a gap like this. And you try to go off of something like this. No. $864 last night's halfback of the entire range we have. He's taking some Trump's doing a Q&A. I don't know, I'm just gonna drink my Bear Mug coffee here. Drinking the Bears today. We did get the breakdown. I mean, the IB stuff played out. There wasn't really a good spot to get in once this candle happened. Yeah, IB low set here. You really didn't pop up high enough for me to be interested. I want to put on a long, but I have nothing to go off here. Reclaim's probably your best shot. How are we not beyond ATRs? It's crazy that we haven't even exceeded the ATR ADRs. There's your orb back test if you're really trying to short this. $856 right here if you really want to short. If you're dying to short your 30-minute orb backtest here, I think it's going to reclaim. But I do want to call out both sides if it rejects here, maybe VWAP. I think it's going to reclaim personally.
We're getting to those levels. Start checking the T20 and T25. Yeah, flat race.
This, I mean, There we go.
I don't think we can see underneath that equilibrium zone down there. If it gets down there today.
I would not be surprised to see us return to opening price today. Just because of the scenario. Let's check out our screener. Some of these played out. So that first hour, we get the IB low break out of the way. See if we can retrace back to the middle. Oh, those 15-minute candles look good.
I heard someone's stomach rumble. Jordy, is that you? It's usually you.
It was not me this time.
We got right back over the NFP level too.
Looks like maybe like 10, 15, 20 bucks after the each. Yes.
Boy, I should have bought that 700 level. It was 100 points. Dadgummit, look at this. I wanted to buy it here. go through this data here. Look at this. Very, very rare when we fill the gap. Did we get a double break? We probably should get a. I don't know if we get a double break that 30-minute orb. That could be wild. IB, single break, double break's gonna be tough, but we did get that out of the way, at least for us to trail back. I'm gonna go to this because this IB by retracement is something I really like. But we got to here, this level right here, the midpoint of the IB. If you go on your Edgeful and you go to your IB by retracement, break down, 40% of the time you come back to that 50% level. So 40%, that's a pretty strong, once you start getting some price action confluence, but 61%. And once you break, once this broke here, and let's go down to a smaller time frame, it's just like 3 minutes so we can really see this. So once this broke, then you look, this right here is a 61% chance of happening. So could have got long anywhere on this. This reclaim, look at that. As soon as it reclaimed that first hour, boom. And it's still a 40% chance that you get to here. So not like super great odds, but I don't know, if we hit this, that would be beautiful. Trump's still taking questions, by the way. I'm not really trying to do a whole lot because there's not, your risk to reward's just not very good right now on anything. But like I was saying, you know, I said this a while ago, you don't want to short the hole down here. Short the hole, you get your head ripped off. And look, we're trying to break the 21. We're not far. We're only 20 points away from opening price on ES. 20 points. It sounds like a lot, but it's not. Tesla's looking nice. NVIDIA not doing a whole lot. Netflix, we know Netflix was already up a ton. Netflix was getting hit because, well, obviously everyone, because of the tariffs, were in Netflix. It was a safe haven. So them selling off and going red here makes sense. Costco's kind of the same way. Microsoft is this little bull flag here. Are we getting a little bull flag here? Like that? I don't know. Look at how strong Meta is. Meta's right at opening price. Google, opening price. Look at this reversal on Broadcom, looks really good. I mean, I could see some of these things wanting to try to roll. Look how strong Apple is. Trump is done. Trump was done. He just walked back and grabbed a chair to sit down. Well, now we got Trump answering questions with no microphone. That's always good. Wow, Eli Lilly is flying. Eli Lilly just broke pre-market high. RIP to anybody that was trying to short healthcare at the open. I got nothing to do here, guys. I mean, look at YM looks good. We should long the yum yum. ES looks good. Yeah, this looks good for higher. It really does. Look at ES. ES looks so good. So does YM. YM looks really good too. Trump is that golf reference from Trump right now is hilarious. It's almost like Trump got so excited he forgot to go sit down and sign the deal. I am kicking myself for not long at 700. I wanted to. Or chasing this reclaim. Well, ES looks so freaking good. I really want to try to get long. Yeah.
¿Dónde? ¿Pastel? ¿Quieres pastel? Ahorita te doy pastel.
Yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Just don't know if I want to get in here or try to get in lower. $790 right now. All right. All right, we'll risk some profits here. Hold on.
All right, nice 21 EMA rejection there on PQQ. Over high.
Yeah, those got those longs from catching up with the
All right, I just added. Where am I at? 84, 83, 83. I'm gonna risk here for this. I'm in light. I'm with profits. I'd probably get a little aggressive on the entry here, but I'm gonna try it.
Stop the entry.
All right, we'll see what plays out here. I think we can get QQQ back to this area and then this area. What's that on NQ? 820s. So we'll do 820. First trim.
All right, ladies and gents, I think I'm closing up shop this morning. Thanks for having me here.
Yeah, of course.
Yo, take it easy, man. Have a good day.
Sorry, my voice is low on one.
Have weeks like that where my voice could go out on the radio, trying to yell, get help or call something out, and your voice sounds like that.
I do want to see what this looks like on the 30-minute orb.
So, like, one of the worst things to go have. Oh, yeah. You can barely speak. Like, your almost sole purpose, you're in that position, have that job, is your voice.
Interesting. These stats are actually better than the IV. You break the orb, you retrace the 50%. Did we do that? I don't think we did. I'm going to change this over to the 30-minute orb for a second and look at the stats. So once we broke the orb here, 30-minute orb here, there's 50% chance you get back to here. So there's some confluence. It's this right here, 48, whatever, 49, round it somewhere in the middle.
Swing on something, but don't think we're going to see too much price action intraday on things other than scalps.
We're right at my entry here.
I think if we push back higher, I don't think
It's 760 where I longed earlier, so it held for now. Nvidia's getting some volume.
I think 5 right here exactly around 580, and I think it's going to close around 505. Whether we go just above it, come back down, below it, come back up, it might end the day go right back in this area.
All right, well, I'm long.
Tomorrow we'll have to see
¿Quieres
the
pastel?
market either take back up low, upgrade to the highs,
Okay.
See what happens.
Aquí.
underneath 500, 575. I think there's an opportunity for a swing at the end of the day, but intraday, I think it's just be scalp territory.
I actually like this.
Around with that Q's pre-market with the nice session on S&Q sub 4%.
So this right here, I want to see this. This right here. 49% odds that we go back to that area,
LLY still pushing higher, A&K looking good.
which is on NQ 834. Now, one of my targets from this morning, how weird is that? All right, I'm gonna throw this back to normal IB. Yeah, 823. We're gonna trim at 823 for sure.
That'll be in the next 5-10 minutes. I'll see if we do that. I'm trying to light it.
Yeah, I just saw that.
I know, chat. You guys are quiet today. I guess there's probably not a whole lot to do. Well, ES looks good though. Nvidia's getting some volume. Meta looks really good. How far are we from all-time highs?
What bear market?
Less than 6% away from all-time high. Come on, hold.
What do you say? I feel old. How old are you? Oh, no, you're younger than I am. I'm 29, about 30.
There we go. Buy it up. Buy it up. Buy it up. Long and strong. Let's go. Reddit's got a headline right now. Sorry, I was talking on mute again. Yeah, I don't blame anybody trying the short at all. I mean, I just see the big picture and the macro picture, the news picture, all that. I just think I think you had a lot of profit taking it open, and now you're gonna have people that are like, gosh, I gotta start buying this dip. That's just what I think is gonna happen in the bigger picture. Now I can see obviously like, I mean, yeah, there's thin structure here because it ripped off. Could just take forever to just trail back down here, but these 15-minute closes is 58.20 on ES. I mean, I know you wick down, but look where you closed. These candles closed. Kind of the same area as this morning. NQ is a little bit lower. But I can see the short playing out and going back at least down to here. And if it does come down like far, it's just another opportunity to try the long. But I would have to see something major change before I wanted to really start shorting. I mean, if you're scalper or whatever, but look, VWAP, we're sitting above VWAP. It's hard for me to short sitting right on top of VWAP. Could take a trim up here, get 20 points at the 21 to be safe. $850 where all the book mount orders are. Yeah, I want at least 20 points here. I'll take a trim.
For a minute, I thought that was short to me.
Yeah, where's he?
Rizzo. Come on, give us a pop here. I had 10 more minutes on the stream here. I always try to get my full 2 hours no matter what the market's doing. If we get 2 trades, 2 winners on a day like today. I mean, I was long last night. I bought that opening dip. How far lower was that? I was long here. Oh my gosh. I didn't even hold all night, but I did have, because I had all the swing long, so I wasn't really worried about it. Come on, 10-point pop here. Let me get out of trim. I really want to see this play out. I still have it highlighted over here. See if we can get that midpoint of the 30-minute orb again and get the midpoint of the IB would be sweet. Where's that one at? Here we go, right here. IB by retracement. We should get that now that it broke. This right here.
Yeah, 10 minutes just gone by.
Can we not pop right up here to this 21 EMA? Did we hit 800 just now? Yeah. Well, I have a order to trim right here. And then I'm looking for 830s and 846. NVIDIA. NVIDIA looks fantastic. So does Meta. I mean, that's where we're stuck today.
I think everyone said tomorrow.
CPI is tomorrow.
Right.
Oh, that was that.
And PPI is on Thursday.
Look at this guy. Did you see right back there today?
What, before or after your mention?
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
You know, I really know. I know exactly where that's referenced. I've seen that.
Come on, just give me my trim.
I saw it. I was like, oh, cool. Yo, Spy 600 end of the league. Is that possible? You know, I think Spy. It's so weird seeing you back to 500.
Look how sideways we're going. Look, this actually, look at this, it's just sideways.
Gosh.
And GSLL.
Bad boy.
We're just stuck for now.
The 15 is target upside, 1450. Price is 15. So I can do 15.5.
Target on Spy. I think 5.
I mean, nothing's moving. We're gonna get our trim here hopefully before stream ends. What is it? 11:20.
IWM has been running the 9 EMA down. Just coming back down here a little bit.
585.
hop off here.
Well, they're breaking down a little bit.
Don't get chopped in lunch. Don't touch the grass.
I haven't seen that outside in years. That's disgusting.
I'm sure it's lovely over there. It's gorgeous here in London.
You don't say that often.
No, it really is. It is like 70s. It's so nice.
Yep, they couldn't do it. What is ES gonna hold? 30-minute orb low. IWM testing. Ooh, IB low. IB low on Dow.
I don't know what that is.
QQQ actually holding up stronger than anything. The only thing I see, right, I mean, this is previous all-time high right here on QQQ. 503.50 right here. I don't know. Looks like it's gonna go stop me out. I'm gonna stop sitting right there. Oh, we can hold right here. See if buyers step in. Wow, I'm much older than 25. Littlefoot, I see that too. But I just see this big consolidation, really. That's all I see is this right here. And there are a couple upper wicks here and here. And what's falling? Tesla's still pushing. Nvidia's still pushing. Netflix okay. Meta still looks great. Google sideways. Broadcom a little weak. Amazon's weak. Okay. Oh, and Apple came down. Kind of a mixed bag there. SPY was looking better. Now it's Q's looking better. I don't like that we're under VWAP and rejecting it though. Would just take my 10-point loss and walk. I set my risk. I'm up big. I'm going to take the chance on a day like today that we end up resolving higher. All right, we'll see what happens, guys. That is my time. I just want to see if we can get back to the midpoint of the orb and the 30-minute orb and the IB first hour. So IB, initial balance is first hour. The orb that I use is 30 minutes. That's my preferred time frame. I just want to see if we can get back to the midpoint of that. That's my my goal for today. We're inside both of them, so reclaim into them like this. I always think you go back to the midpoint. So we'll see what happens. That's my thoughts. Not the most exciting stream today. We did catch one nice trade on here. Obviously, if you've been in my other streams, you know I've been long and swinging long. So it's been a great morning for me. Guys, make sure you go try out Edgeful. Oh, let me get you guys the link. If you're new here and you haven't tried this out, or even if you've been here and you haven't tried it out yet, 7 days for free with my link. Drop that in the old chat down here. I mean, the indicators themselves are money. Did you guys see these pivot points last night? Right here. This was crazy. Hold on. So right here, we held the pivot point. We went to the next pivot point. How wild was that? Rejected at it, stayed above it, and then things got really wacky. All right, well, I'm leaving the long on, guys. We'll see what happens here. Let me drop this in the chat. Where is the chat? Control. All right, and there. There you go. There's your whatever you want to call it, free 7-day trial right there. I dropped it in both chats. And yeah, all these indicators are. I mean, look, Edgeful. I have three Edgeful indicators on this setup, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I use on this setup. And gap fill we don't need today. Previous week's range is way away from us, but this Fibonacci by session is really cool that I've been trying out. Gap fill by session. Gap fill by session is really important if you trade futures. It makes things so much easier. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Hope everyone has a great, green, profitable day. Don't try to short the hole. That would be my only thought here. If anything, just do nothing. Take your profit, walk away. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I'm long looking for bounce back toward the middle, and that's all I've got. All right, guys, I'm out. Every time I do the peace sign, it always does something weird. So we're gonna throw up like whatever this is. Rock out. What a day. Look at that green at the end. All right, appreciate everyone. Back on Friday, of course, live stream. Monday and Friday, live trading. Check out Discord, live trading all day, every day. Obviously, Spaces, we have live trading going out throughout the whole day. Andre from Edgeful's on every Wednesday with us. So make sure you guys check all that out. Follow the Wolf Financial. Follow my personal account. If you want to know where I'm at, I try to always post that, keep you updated. A lot of great conversations going on Spaces as well. And if you're not trying Edgeful, I mean, I don't know what I got to show you guys to convince you at this point. But the indicators alone are worth whatever price they want to charge. To be 100% honest, they make my life so much easier. I mean, so much easier. But all right, guys, let me get this trim as I close out. All right, I'm out.